Okay, so I've had a lot of people asking, still trying to get the water cycle project done, and they're having a hard time with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some step-by-step instructions on the water cycle to hopefully help you get done. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Google Classroom. Let me get there first. Okay. So I am in my Google Classroom, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go under Classwork. I'm going to go under Projects, and I'm going to find Water Cycle Project. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to read my directions. If you do not have a poster, do drawing on a regular paper. No way to take and submit the drawing, then find an online image and include your website source. Follow the rubric. Student's name on project, drawing or image showing bodies of water, organisms, air, and land. Picture has arrows showing water moving within the ecosystem between organisms and environment, includes role of sun and gravity. Picture includes short phrases summarizing what occurs at each stage of the water cycle, and submit 1 to 2 paragraphs describing the water cycle. Okay, so I'm going to click on this water cycle project. It's going to come up. I'm going to open with Google Docs so that I can type on it. So here is my water cycle project paper. I've already put your title. I've already put a place to put your name. So put your period. What class period are you in? Then what you're going to do is you're going to find a picture. Unless you want to draw it. If you want to draw it, you'll need to watch some of my other YouTube videos on how to take the picture off of your laptop camera and insert it into Google. If not, you want to find a picture, you're going to go to Insert, Image, and you are going to search the web. When you search the web, you will see this little box on the right-hand side. There's a little box that pops up that says Google Images, and then it says search for images. Right up here, I'm going to look for water cycle. You could just do water cycle. I'm going to do water cycle diagram. Okay, let's go for it. Label. All right, so now I have a water cycle diagram that is labeled for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on one that I want. You're going to see down at the bottom, there's a little blue box that pops up. It says one selected and insert. So I'm going to insert it. Now it's inserted into my project. Okay, so let's see, my name is on it, my period's on it. I have a picture that shows arrows with the water cycle going through. It also has, this one already has the little summary paragraph showing how it goes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a different one that does not, because I want you to know, in case you pick one that does not have, you can't find one that has it, I want you to know what you need to put on here. Okay, so this one does not give me all of the information I'm looking for. Okay, so what I'm going to do is right underneath it, I'm going to make a little bulleted list, and I'm going to make like a little line, and I'm going to write what happens at each stage. Just a quick summary, okay? The sun heats up the water, causing evaporation, okay? The trees lose water through transpiration. Okay? Water, water vapor cools and condenses to make clouds. Okay, then you're going to finish telling me what happens. We have precipitation, you still have runoff and groundwater. Okay, so you need to finish those up. After you finish those, then you're going to write me 1 or 2 paragraphs describing the water cycle in your own words. Then you're going to go up here to edit, and you're going, oh, sorry, not edit, file, sorry, file. You are going to go to download, and then you are going to either download it as a Microsoft Word or a PDF. When you download that, it is going to save on your computer in a folder somewhere. Usually it is the download folder. So if you go to this PC and you go to your folders, you should be able to see one that says download, and you should see it right there. Then you will go to Edgenuity, and when you get into Edgenuity, you go to that project where you've been submitting files, and you add that file to there, and you submit it. So where it says like add file or submit file, you go there, you add this file, this water cycle project that you just did into Edgenuity, and you submit it for my grading. That's it, and you are done now.